Hello everyone, good morning. New day, new journey. Today I'm traveling to Chennai. From here to Chennai, it's showing somewhere around 375 kilometers, and the time now it's almost 4:30 in the morning. And there is a major update to the camera and the mic as well. So I've recently got this DJI Action 5 Pro, and with that I got even the DJI Mini mic. So what happened was I got this DJI Action 5 Pro like 2 or 3 weeks back. I was just testing around, and I was using the same mic which I was using in Spiti, but that didn't really work out. I was not satisfied with the audio output with this. So at last I had to buy this DJI mini mic. I hope the audio is good. And mainly why I upgraded for DJI Action 5 Pro was because of the night vision. And yeah, DJI, GoPro 13 has come, but I was not so into it as you compare it with the DJI Action 5 Pro. Because now in the video, I guess clearly you can see the difference. It is dark, but still it is picking up. Yeah, and it is really picking up good. But when I had to compare with the GoPro 11 in Spiti, you might have seen 2 or 3 days I would have traveled at night, and the quality was so horrible. Mainly that Yamuna Express Highway. Night, it doesn't pick up so much of light into it, so it's like pitch dark. Even it doesn't pick up the bike headlight as well, but hope this one does. So yeah, so that's an update, like why I upgraded to DJI Action 5 Pro. And today it's a Saturday, so hope the roads will be clear. And since I'm starting like so early, it would be an early exit from Bangalore. Main thing why I always try to start early because of this Bangalore traffic. The same road around 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, if you see, it'll be like jam packed. Like for example, from HL to this Damlur flyover, it'll take like almost half an hour, but now it's not even 5 minutes. I still got again the perks of traveling early. This is like the Sony World signal. The same thing if you come like after 8 o'clock till the small, the signal traffic will be there. So late nights and early morning, it's so peaceful to get around the city. I'm at Silkboard now. So talking about the trip, actually I'm traveling to my home. So since it's like work from home, I thought I'll stay at home for at least 2 months or so. So, but if you're staying for 2 months and you're in Chennai and this is a K registered bike, obviously when you travel in Chennai, police will stop you and ask you for NOC. But usually NOC it is required if you're staying for more than 6 months or 1 year in a particular city. So you need to have a proof that on so and so date only you have entered Tamil Nadu. So for that reason, one, this toll will work out. Which I'm taking this Electronic City bridge. Hope they put the number. If the bike number is there, then it is valid. Or else I need to fuel up somewhere, and in the bill I need to have the my bike number. So that will work as an proof that on this day you were in Karnataka. So my tank is full, but still for that reason I need to fill up once I get down of this bridge. And the mic, hope it is picking up. Again, I'll test it in high speeds so that you'll know the difference, because the previous mic which I was using, if I cross 80 you couldn't hear anything. There will be like only wind blast. But for this I have seen so many reviews that in high speeds also it picks up really good. End of this Electronic City bridge. Hope soon the metro also starts. This is the yellow line. As of now only test runs I've done, and there was a rumor that Jan 6 it was inaugurated, but that was all rumors. I need to check if this has the what is that, the number, bike number on it. If this has, it's well and good. Let's see. This they don't have. What is this? The vehicle number all 555. And what's the use of getting this? Speaker. But still, we'll keep this. But in petrol station, in fuel station, I need to get it with the number. I have this video, but still, why to take risk? A full tank petrol. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಬಿಲ್ ಬೇಕು ಗಾಡಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕಿರಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು ಹೋದರೆ.
ಗಾಡಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಬಿಲ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಈ ಡೇಟ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ NOC ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸಾಕು.
ಗಾಡಿ ನಂಬರ್
K51 JB
ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಟ್ಯಾಪ್
ಹಾಂ ಟಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. $21.82. So here if you see we have the vehicle number. We'll take this pic as well. Okay, so let's check the mileage now since we have topped up. So 131 divided by how much? 5.05. Oh, 25.9. This mileage, I would say it's not like probably in city. Yesterday I was just traveling this Hoskote Kolar road, so I would say it's like a mixed one, highway plus city. So 25.9, it's a good mileage for a 400cc bike. So let's begin. So as it's all fueled up, trip 1 to 0 again. Next stop would be only for breakfast. The time now is it's 4:58. And we are near this what do you say, this Chandapura. It's just drizzling, so I just put the rain cover for my tank bag. I'll just go for around 2-3 kilometers and see, because in highways mostly it will be like a passing cloud. Because for me, right, if we put the rain lane and again if the rain stops, then you will be sweating a lot. Because during this PT ride it happened like that, especially that 980 kilometers which I did in a single day. time, I'll put on the rain liner and hardly 15 to 15 to 20 minutes the rain will stop. Then again I had to stop, remove the rain liner. For that itself it will take so much of time. It's a pain, to put on the rain liner, again remove it, pack it and keep it in your bags. That day I almost did like 6 to 7 times and I got so irritated. And upon that, for the GoPro, it wasn't like waterproof if it is a wired one. Not exactly like wired one. If you use the media mode, and the media mode, it is not a waterproof thing. See, as I told, it was just drizzling. Again it stopped. So what if I had worn my rain liners there, then again I had to remove it over here. It's like not even hardly 1 kilometer. If it is like morning, you can clearly see how the clouds are, then you can take a call. So now we are officially crossing Karnataka and entering into Tamil Nadu. So the first town or city which we are crossing now, it's Hosur. So below this bridge, on the right side, you have the Hosur bus stand. Shit. It was my fault. Without seeing the mirror, I just came into this lane. So I just gave him the way. Yeah, but in bike you have to be very very careful when you are changing lanes. I saw, but that was like a, what do you say, black point for me. It's almost 6:30. I've crossed Krishnagiri and the climate, it's too good. It's little bit foggy out there, but in camera usually the fog doesn't pick up, I guess. It's so peace. I'm not pushing and all, just riding very calm. Yes, still camera is in night mode. After the sun rises, then I'll put it into normal mode. And yeah, there is one thing: if you are using the night mode, only you can shoot in wide angle. You can't use the ultra wide. So that is one thing. So after you switch back to the normal video mode, then you can use the ultra wide angle.